Hey everyone, welcome back to the Healthy You channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions of us. Insomnia. Tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, those sleepless nights can really take a toll. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm sharing 8 natural remedies for insomnia you need to try. We're talking about the power of nature to help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling refreshed. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos on health and wellness. Now let's embark on this journey to better sleep together. Let's start with a classic remedy that's been used for centuries. Chamomile tea. This gentle, fragrant tea isn't just soothing to sip before bed, it actually has some science-backed benefits for sleep. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which has been shown to promote relaxation and sleep. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing found that chamomile tea improved sleep quality in a group of postpartum women experiencing sleep disturbances. And another study published in Phytomedicine Research found that chamomile extract significantly improved sleep quality in people with insomnia. So brew yourself a cup of chamomile tea about an hour before bed, inhale its calming aroma and let it work its magic. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Next up, we have lavender essential oil, a powerhouse when it comes to relaxation and sleep. Its calming scent has been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and promote sleep, and modern science backs up these traditional uses. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil can slow the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and calm brain activity, all of which can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. In fact, a 2015 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that lavender oil aromatherapy was effective in improving sleep quality in people with insomnia. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser in your bedroom or sprinkle a few drops on your pillowcase before bed. You can even add a few drops to a warm bath for the ultimate relaxation experience. Valerian root is an herb that has been used as a natural sleep aid for centuries. It contains compounds that have sedative effects on the brain and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. One of the ways valerian root works is by increasing the levels of a neurotransmitter called GABA in the brain. GABA has calming effects on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. A review of 16 studies on valerian root and sleep found that valerian root improved sleep quality and reduced the time it took to fall asleep. It's important to note that valerian root can take a few weeks of consistent use to see its full effects. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions, including sleep regulation. It works by calming the nervous system, relaxing muscles, and regulating neurotransmitters involved in sleep. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common, and it can contribute to insomnia and other sleep problems. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can improve sleep quality, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and increase sleep time. You can increase your magnesium intake by eating magnesium-rich foods like leafy green vegetables, almonds and avocados. You can also take a magnesium supplement before bed to promote relaxation and better sleep. Melatonin is a hormone naturally produced by your body that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. It's released in response to darkness, signaling your body that it's time to sleep. Melatonin supplements can be helpful for people who have trouble falling asleep, especially those with jet lag or shift work sleep disorder. They work by resetting your body's internal clock and promoting sleepiness. A study published in the Journal of Pineal Research found that melatonin supplementation improved sleep quality and reduced daytime sleepiness in people with insomnia. Remember your grandma telling you to drink warm milk before bed? Well, it turns out she was onto something. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, two neurotransmitters that regulate sleep. Tryptophan needs to be converted to serotonin and then melatonin in order to have sleep-promoting effects. Consuming carbohydrates along with tryptophan can help facilitate this conversion process. So enjoy a warm glass of milk with a few cookies or a small bowl of cereal before bed, and let the tryptophan work its magic. Passion flower tea is another herbal tea that has long been used to treat insomnia and anxiety. It contains compounds that have calming effects on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. One study found that passion flower tea was as effective as the sleep medication Ambien in improving sleep quality in people with insomnia. Another study found that passion flower extract reduced anxiety and improved sleep quality in people with generalized anxiety disorder. Enjoy a cup of passion flower tea before bed and experience its calming and sleep-promoting benefits. Sometimes the best way to calm a racing mind and prepare for sleep is through the power of your own breath. Meditation and deep breathing techniques can help slow your heart rate, relax your muscles, and quiet your mind, making it easier to fall asleep. Studies have shown that mindfulness-based therapies, which often incorporate meditation and deep breathing exercises, can be effective in treating insomnia. A 2015 study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness-based therapy improved sleep quality and reduced insomnia severity in adults with chronic insomnia. Find a quiet space, dim the lights, and spend a few minutes practicing deep breathing exercises or guided meditation before bed. There are many free resources available online, including guided meditation apps and videos. And there you have it, 8 natural remedies for insomnia that you can start trying tonight. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is crucial for your physical and mental health, so don't underestimate the power of these natural solutions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with anyone you know who might be struggling with sleep. Sweet dreams.